Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can record audio directly from any browser-based device, and then you can edit the audio straight into video. The Cerebrium Studio online editor provides a simple audio recording experience with its easy-to-use audio recorder and audio tools that are great for a variety of purposes, such as recording podcasts, editing music, or recording voiceovers. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Cerebrium's online editor. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to cerebrium.com. Then you can log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload your video that you would like to add an audio recording to. With this video editor, you can also use it to create multiple aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can upload one video in any aspect ratio, and the software will create multiple different aspect ratios, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, and none of the quality or contents of the video will be lost. So content creators can save a lot of time and repurpose their content across multiple social media platforms without spending any extra time editing. So as you can see here, by using the purple crop tool, you can select how you would like your video to look and how you would like your video to be cropped. Whatever you select through the purple cropper tool will be what the video is automatically transformed into. Once you're happy with your video size selections and how your videos are going to look, simply click on Make at the top right once you're happy. You will then be taken to the video editing page, which is where you can create audio recordings in the form of voiceovers, or you can edit the existing audio on your video, or even add different music to your video. To start audio recording, simply click on the big plus sign at the bottom right on the row where it says audio. You'll then be shown a pop-up where you can record a voiceover directly from your built-in microphone. You simply click on the big red button to start and stop recording, and you can listen to it back. You can then trim this audio recording so that it sounds however you need it to sound, move the recording around, reorder it, and basically do whatever you need to do to it. So as you can see, there are 3 dedicated audio timelines, and this will appear in the voiceover row, so you can really customize your audio as much as you need. Audio ducking is an additional tool that you can use so that you can control the volume at precise points on each of these sound files. Once you're happy with any audio edits that you've made to your video and the audio recording that you've put in and how everything sounds and looks, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner, and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. Now, as I mentioned previously, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so I will leave all the information that you need down in the description box below. You can just click through, go have a test of the software, let us know what you think, let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. We'd really like to hear your feedback, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.